A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the American spirit, a perspective on political culture and values. Ladies and gentlemen, America's political culture is more than a system of governance. It is an evolving philosophy that has shaped the nation's destiny and influenced the world. Built upon 5 foundational values of liberty, equality, individualism, democracy, and nationalism, this culture embodies the essence of the American experiment. These principles, though tested over time, remain the nation's guiding force, ensuring its resilience and adaptability. As the world navigates an era of uncertainty, the American political spirit stands as both a lesson and a beacon of hope. Let's examine the 5 foundational values a bit deeper. First, liberty, the soul of the republic. At the heart of American identity is liberty, the fundamental right to think, speak, and act freely. This ideal, enshrined in the Declaration of Independence, asserts that all men are endowed with unalienable rights. Among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Liberty has been the catalyst for revolutions, movements, and reforms, from the abolition of slavery to the fight for civil rights. As George Washington said, liberty, when it begins to take root, is a plant of rapid growth. Yet, with freedom comes responsibility. In the words of Thomas Paine, those who expect to reap the blessings of freedom must, like men, undergo the fatigue of supporting it. Above reflects in the American value to be an energetic, goal-oriented society and to take pride in own accomplishments. Further, practicality is usually the most important consideration when decisions are to be made. The second is equality, the pursuit of a more perfect union. The American journey has been one of expanding equality. From Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation to the Civil Rights Act of 1964, the country has continually strived to bridge its ideals with reality. As Thomas Jefferson said, we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. True equality demands vigilance, civic engagement, and an unwavering commitment to ensuring that all citizens, regardless of background, have access to opportunity and to justice. In the words of John Adams, all men are born equally free and independent and have certain natural, essential, and unalienable rights. Above reflects in the American value. People have equal opportunities. People are important as individuals for who they are, not from which family they come. The third is individualism, the power of self-reliance. The American dream is rooted in individualism, the belief that personal effort and determination shape one's destiny. From the pioneering spirit of early settlers to the rise of Silicon Valley innovators, this ethos has propelled progressive and economic dynamism. As George Washington said, the preservation of the sacred fire of liberty and the destiny of the Republican model of government are justly considered, perhaps as deeply as finally staked on the experiment entrusted to the hands of the American people. In a rapidly globalizing world, the challenge remains. As Ralph Waldo Emerson said, to be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Above reflects in the American value. People are seen as separate individuals with individual needs, and also the realization that people need time to be alone and to be themselves. Further, Americans believe competition brings out the best in people, and free enterprise leads to progress and produces success. And that material goods are seen as the just rewards of hard work. The fourth is democracy, the voice of the people. Democracy is the foundation upon which America stands. As Abraham Lincoln said, democracy is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. The US Constitution was described by James Madison as the greatest reflection on human nature. Yet, democracy is not self-sustaining. It requires active participation, informed debate, and a commitment to truth. As Thomas Jefferson said, that government is the strongest of which every man feels himself a part. Above reflects in the American value. One can only trust people who look you in the eye and tell it like it is, and change is seen as positive and good. The fifth is nationalism, unity amid diversity. American nationalism is unique. It is not bound by ethnicity or lineage, but by shared ideals. This sense of unity has driven the nation through war, economic hardship, and social upheaval. As John F. Kennedy said, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. The challenge is to foster a nationalism that unites, one that embraces pluralism while reinforcing the common values that define the nation. Above reflects in the American value system. Regardless of past or present, the future will be better and happier. Further, it is immoral to waste time. The path forward for America. American political culture is not static. It evolves with each generation. The preservation of its core values requires dialogue, education, and a renewed commitment to principled leadership. The words of Abraham Lincoln remain ever relevant. The dogmas of the quiet past are inadequate to the stormy present. As our case is new, so we must think anew and act anew. Upholding America's founding ideals in the modern era necessitates adaptability without losing sight of the principles that built the nation. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, America's political culture has been tested, challenged, and even reshaped. Yet, its foundational values endure. The pursuit of liberty, equality, individualism, democracy, and nationalism remains a work in progress, a testament to the resilience of the American experiment. In the words of George Washington, my patriotic heart beats red, white, and blue. In an age of complexity and division, reaffirming these ideals will not only strengthen the nation but also inspire the world. The American spirit, forged in the fires of history, continues to illuminate the path forward for its people and for humanity at large. Good luck, America. Best wishes and God bless.